In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Klarna on Shein. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to browse through various products on Shein and pay using Klarna as long as you have the latest version of the Klarna mobile app. Inside of the mobile app for Klarna, use the search function whenever you select search to browse through Shein. So search Shein and you can explore products, deals, and at the top you will be able to find the actual Shein website. I highly recommend that you are redirected to the website by using the Klarna mobile app instead. So select website at the top and you will be redirected to Shein. Once you select the website, the page is going to load and you should have the standard view for Shein through the Klarna mobile app. In here, you can browse through various products and choose whatever you want to buy using Klarna. As you can see, if you tap this Klarna icon at the top, it is going to tell you that Klarna is built in at Shein checkout. So all that you have to do is add everything that you want to buy to your cart and proceed to checkout. You will be able to find Klarna listed as a payment option. You can also use this menu at the bottom over here to see if they have any promo codes or deals that you might want to explore when shopping inside of Shein. So like I said, all that you have to do is find whatever it is that you want to buy and add it to your cart. As you can see, everything is listed here now, and all you have to do is tap checkout. You will have to sign in, so follow the instructions on screen. As you can see on checkout, you will be able to find Klarna under the payment methods. Make sure that you select Klarna, and once you tap continue to payment, you will be redirected to the app where you can use Klarna to finish paying for your product. You will then be able to include the details about your own card. The way Klarna works is that Klarna is going to pay the full amount of your Shein purchase right away, and you will have to choose between payment plans available for Klarna. You will then have to use your own credit card registered inside of Klarna to make these payments according to the payment plan that you selected. So as long as you choose any of the available payment plans in here and you have a credit card attached to your Klarna account, you will be able to make any purchase on the Shein website. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Klarna on Shein. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.